Tooth decay is one of the most common oral health issues that affects millions worldwide. It happens when the enamel, the protective layer of your teeth, begins to break down due to harmful bacteria, sugar, and acid in the mouth. But did you know that you can use natural remedies to address and even reverse early stages of tooth decay? In this video, we'll delve deep into the most effective and scientifically backed natural solutions to restore your oral health. What causes tooth decay? Tooth decay starts with the buildup of plaque, a sticky film containing bacteria. When you consume sugary or starchy foods, the bacteria produce acids that erode the enamel. If left unchecked, this can lead to cavities and eventually more severe dental issues like infections and tooth loss. While regular brushing and flossing are essential, adding natural remedies to your routine can boost your defense against decay. Don't miss last remedy, which is the most powerful among all. 1. Oil pulling. This ancient Ayurvedic practice involves swishing a tablespoon of coconut oil in your mouth for 15 to 20 minutes. Coconut oil contains antimicrobial properties that help reduce harmful bacteria like Streptococcus mutans. Regular oil pulling can reduce plaque, improve gum health, and lower the risk of cavities. 2. Remineralizing toothpaste. Making your own remineralizing toothpaste using natural ingredients like calcium powder, baking soda, coconut oil, and essential oils can help repair enamel. These ingredients promote the absorption of essential minerals back into the teeth, strengthening them against decay. 3. Avoid sugary foods and drinks. Sugar is one of the main culprits behind tooth decay. Reducing your intake of sugary snacks and beverages can significantly lower the risk of enamel erosion. Opt for healthier alternatives like fresh fruits or natural sweeteners like stevia. 4. Consume foods rich in vitamins and minerals. A nutrient-rich diet is vital for healthy teeth. Foods high in calcium, like dairy products, almonds, and leafy greens, and vitamin D, like fatty fish, egg yolks, and sunlight exposure, play a crucial role in maintaining strong enamel and preventing decay. Vitamin K2, found in fermented foods, is also essential for proper calcium absorption. 5. Clove oil for pain relief and healing. Clove oil is a natural anesthetic with antimicrobial properties, making it an excellent remedy for tooth pain caused by decay. Apply a small amount of diluted clove oil to the affected area to reduce pain and kill bacteria. 6. Green tea rinse. Green tea is loaded with antioxidants and has antibacterial properties. Rinsing your mouth with unsweetened green tea can reduce inflammation, combat bacteria, and even freshen your breath. 7. Fluoride-free alternatives. While fluoride is effective in preventing cavities, some people prefer natural, fluoride-free options. Look for toothpaste containing xylitol, a natural sugar alcohol that inhibits bacterial growth and protects your teeth. 8. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water helps maintain saliva production, which naturally cleans your mouth and neutralizes acids. Saliva also contains essential minerals that aid in enamel repair. 9. Herbal teas and infusions. Teas made from herbs like chamomile, sage, and peppermint can reduce oral inflammation and bacterial growth. Drinking these teas or using them as mouth rinses can support overall oral health. 10. Regular dental hygiene practices. While natural remedies are powerful, they are most effective when combined with proper brushing, flossing, and routine dental checkups. Use a soft bristled toothbrush and replace it every 3 months for optimal cleaning. Now the time of last remedy. If you are still watching, then you are very serious to improve your teeth and gum problem. Then you are at right place. Here's something special for you. Listen it with very carefully. According to a Harvard scientist, swallowing these newly discovered bacteria is all you need to do to fix all your dental issues. From gum bleeding and teeth rotting to bad breath and cavities. These amazingly efficient bacteria work by reconstructing your enamel, the outer layer of your teeth, making them 20x stronger than a normal tooth. Like a titanium shield against cavities, root infection, and enamel erosion. Some say their teeth are now stronger than a dental implant. Who would have thought that a candy could save anyone struggling with tooth decay and inflamed gums? This natural, soft candy has stunned both scientists and people all around the world. Simply let it melt in your mouth, after brushing your teeth, to get rid of cavities almost overnight. It will not only restore your teeth, but also rebuild your gums and eliminate bad breath. See here the amazing results of 34,788 people who have already tried this. Check out the link in the description, and in only 10 seconds you will find out if your teeth have aged prematurely and whether you risk losing them in the next 2 years. Find the test in the description and what you can do to rejuvenate your teeth and gums. Click link in the description to do the test in the next 10 seconds.